guys, today we're going to make simple, easy, plus healthy and delicious Shakarkandi chana chaat. So let's begin with the ingredients. 1 can of boiled chana, 2 or 3 boiled potatoes chopped, 1 chopped cucumber, 2 chopped tomatoes, 1 chopped onion, half a cup of plain yogurt, chaat masala to taste. If you want to know how to make homemade chaat masala, check the link in the description. 1 cup of chana chur. If you want to know how to make easy homemade chana chur, check the link in the description. Green chutney to taste. Now we're going to show you very quickly how to make this green chutney, so let's get on to it. So we're going to blend together whole green chilies to taste depending how spicy you want it, 1 cup of mint, and a handful of coriander leaves. In a blender, blend them together into a nice smooth paste. Then add 2 tablespoons of water and give it another blend. Now back on to the rest of the ingredients. Spicy and sweet tamarind chutney to taste. If you want to know how to make this, check the link in the description for the video. This is very simple and easy. All the ingredients are layered into the bowl in any order you like. We're just starting with the potatoes. It's very healthy and very delicious and really easy. You just have all your ingredients laid into a bowl. We'll show you different types of chats in other videos. So here we have our delicious and colourful Shakarkandi chana chaat. It's very simple and easy to make, plus healthy and delicious. So be inspired, try new things and conquer amazing skills. And like and subscribe and comment down below. And check out our other videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.